One second. Yeah, one second. So yesterday we just write the script manually without recording option. We will discuss this right or not. We finish this one or we need to discuss. We need to write, right?
I think we finished comments yesterday.
Okay. Comments
And
one.
yeah.
Sure. Okay. Maybe I forgot. So comments only, right? So we
No,
are in
I
program.
think we finished comments. So I think we're starting with utility statements and normal statements.
Okay. So yesterday we finished about comments. Like these are the lightweighted statements, right? Some lightweighted programming statements. So comments means what is the use of comment? It is used to ignore the script line, right? By using comments, they're asking you to UTP to ignore the script line, right? So right now we are using utility statement. So utility statement means what? By using the statement, we can open the application automatically by QTP. We can open the application automatically by QTP. So what is the syntax? Is we know already, we are already done, right? The parameters in the concept system util dot run application path. So how to get the application path, guys? How to get the path of the application?
You right click on the
Yeah.
application and get the path.
Yeah, if you right click on the application, you can get the path of the application, right? Okay. So how the work will be processed, I will explain you clearly. Okay. For example, I'm going to generate some script. Okay, I'm recording something. Click on OK button. Stop it. So here, if we execute this one, what happened? We need to open the application, right? We need to open the application. Okay. So instead of that one, I'm giving it will be statement, right? So what is the syntax is? Just let me know what is the syntax, guys. System
Is it?
util dot run application path, right? So right click on the application, click on properties. So application path is displaying, right? So copy it and paste it. Okay, copy it and paste it on there. So right now, just right, no need to open the application, right? Why? Because you already opened the application. When we hit the run button, automatically application is opened and it is right. So system util dot run, instead of that one, another syntax is also there, guys. What is the syntax is? Observe, invoke application. Okay, invoke application path we need to give. Okay, so just observe. Instead of system util dot run, I'm using invoke application. So right now also I'm trying to hit the run button, just see what happens. Just observe, application is automatically opening. Yeah, right, and it is be processed. Okay, so you need to open the application automatically by yourself, like this is working out, right? Invoke application or system utility dot on utility statement basically, right? So that is what about utility statement. Next, right now we are going to write the script manually without recording option. If you want to write the script manually, so right now we are going to discuss about the automation object model method, normal statements or automation object model method. Okay, so in this we can write VB script manually without recording option. Without recording option. For this each object we require some information. Okay, for this each object we require some information. So what is the object information means? Properties and values. Okay, object information means properties and values. That object information, okay, properties and values and methods. Okay, so guys, properties and values and methods. Okay, properties and values and method. So how to get the, we know already how to get the properties and values. So anyone, how to get the properties and values? By using object spy. Okay, so by using object spy we can get the one object related complete properties and values, right or not? Okay, so by using object spy we can get the complete properties and values. So methods. Methods means what? The action which we are performing on the application, we call it as a method. Okay. So on the application, what action we are going to perform, that we are calling it as a method. Okay. That one we are calling it as a method. For example, guys. For example. So here this is the application. Okay, so in this OK button, what we are doing in a OK button means what action we are performing on OK button. Let me know, anyone?
Clicking on it.
Exactly, right clicking. So that is the only method, the action which we are performing. So this is the text field, agent name text field. So what we are doing here?
Entering text.
Enter, right? So that is the only method. Hi Ankita.
Hi Suresha, sorry for being late.
So right now we are in normal statement. Okay, so just utility statements only finished. I think you know about the utility statement, right? It is used to open the application automatically by Qtip itself. Okay, in the parameters in the characters we already discussed system util dot run application pathway util, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, Ankita? Okay, Ankita.
Yeah,
Yeah, is it clear? Are you know about the system util
yeah,
dot
you
run?
did this yesterday.
Yes, exactly. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So today we are going to discuss about the normal statement. Normal statements or automation object model method. Here what you are writing, we need to write the VB script manually without recording option. For these object related information we want, we require some related information regarding the object. Okay. So, okay, object information means what? Properties, values and methods. Okay. So that's what I'm explaining you. Properties, values. How to get the properties and values? Means by using object_spy we can able to know the properties and values of a particular object. Method means what? The action which we are performing on application. Okay, the action which we are. Gaurav has left. Okay, the action which we are performing on the application is called method. So here it is also in a button. What action we are performing means here Rupali said that it is clicking. So that is the only method, right? So here it is the text field. So guys, text field. What action we are performing on a text field?
Writing down the agent name and the password.
Exactly, means text field means we are entering some data, right or not? And
Yeah.
method is set only. Okay.
What does that mean?
Set method we are using set. Okay. So here it is the drop down list. Drop down is what we are doing. We are selecting, right? Method is select only. Method is select only. So in a checkboxes, for example, go to your open order. Here it is the checkboxes. Checkboxes, what we are doing, guys? Anyone?
Clicking on it.
Exactly, clicking on it. Means we are used. It is used to tick mark, right or no? So here it is also method is set only. Okay, so then radio buttons. These are the radio buttons, right? What radio buttons? What is the method?
Same clicking.
Yes. Gaurav, I'm making you organizer. Just start it. Gaurav, I just make you organizer. Just start it. Okay. So these are the radio buttons. Radio buttons. What is the method? What action we are performing? It is clicking here. Our method is set only. Okay. So here it is. So title. If you take a title, for example, put here it is the title, right? What we are doing in the title? It is used to clicking means activating, right or no? It is used to click means the method is active. Okay.
Sorry.
So
I'm sorry. Why is it active? I didn't understand that part. If you click on
means
it.
we are activating now. We are, for example, we are clicking means we are active. For
Okay.
example, here it is there, right?
All
So
right.
I'm clicking. I'm activating now, right?
Yes. Okay.
That is only. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now just observe. Okay, clear it is, guys. So right now, okay, so here it is. Edit box text field. I already explained it is used to enter the data. Method is set only. Drop down list also it is used to select the option. Method is select. Radio means it is used to click. Method is set. Checkbox means tick mark. Method is set. Buttons. Buttons. What we are doing? It is used to click it. Right or not? Method is
Click.
click.
Like a
Like that. Yeah, like that we just discuss. Okay. It is used to click. Method is click only. So like that we are having different options. So observe one point I have to explain you, right? If you take any application, okay, if you take any application, Title will be the parent object, and rest of all objects we are treating it as a child object. Okay, for example, here it is the application. So title I am going to take it as a parent, not only the flight application. If you take any application, okay, title will be the parent one. Rest of all objects we are treating it as a child object. Okay, so right, title will be the parent object, and rest of all objects we are treating as a child object. Right now, okay, right now we are going to write the script related to the title, like parent object, right? So write the script for parent. Okay, we will discuss. Here it is. To perform the task on parent object. Method one, that is parent object details dot method will be. So exact syntax is, okay, the real object of parent. Okay, logical name of real object of parent dot method. So you may ask, what is the logical name? What is the real object name? How we get the information? So how to get the logical name and real object name, guys? By using object by. So right now I'm going to write the script for this login. Login is the title only, right or not? Okay. Observe. Go to tools, objects by. Okay. So here it is the hand icon. Click on hand icon. With that hand icon, I want to click on title. So observe, one object is ready to complete the properties, means dialogue, login, logical name, logical name, everything will display. Observe here, dialogue is the logical name, login is the real end. So here it is, dialogue is the logical name, login is the real object name of parent. So by using that one, we are going to write the script. So as per the syntax, what is the information? Logical name of real object parent dot method, right? So let me know how we are going to write. What is the logical name? Dialogue, right? Real object name is login. The real object name we need to write the exact one. It's the case sensitive. Okay. Dot. What is the method for title?
Activate.
What?
Activate.
Exactly. Activate only. Right. We are writing same one only. Next. This is how we are going to write the script for parent object. So right now we are going to discuss how to write the script for child objects. Okay. To perform the task on child object. Okay. So to perform the task on child object is parent object name dot child object name dot method, means logical name of real object of parent. The parent details also important. Logical name of real object of child dot method. Okay. So how to get the real object name of parent, child? How to get this information? Yeah, by using object say. For example, my task is I want to enter agent name and enter password and click on OK button. So without recording option manual, I want to do it. Okay. So go to tools, objects by. Hand icon is there. I am going to entering into the agent name, right? So dialog login is the parent details. When edit agent name is the child details. Observe, I already explained you. These logical names are case sensitive. You need to write the exact, like A is capital, N is capital, colon, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
Right? So like that work will be processed. Clear it is?
Can you do one more example, please?
Yeah, I'm doing. Real, I'm not explaining you. So the hand icon, I'm going to click on password. Observe, dialog login is the parent details. When it password is the child ones. Okay. So right now my task is I want to enter agent name field, right? So dialog login is the parent one. When edit agent name colon is the child one. Okay.
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 So observe. First we need to write the as per the syntax. First we need to write the parent details. Dialog login dot. It's a WinEdit. Child details we need to write it, right or not? It's a WinEdit agent name. Example, observe here it is the case sensitive colon is there as per the simplicity. I directly mentioned. What is the method for this one? Read a text field set only, right? Set I am setting it as a sedition. Like that we need to write. So I'm giving you control, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm giving you controls. Script for password and click on OK. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm giving you controls, guys. Ankita also I'm giving controls.
Ankita, you wanna take over? We'll help.
Yeah. Take over and write the script for password and click on OK button. So by using objects, by just use the objects by. Okay.
Okay.
Take the controls here. Take the controls, write the script. And remaining people, please help to other person. Take the
Okay.
controls for writing the
So I think it should be dialog login first.
take the
Mm-hmm.
help of objects by.
Yes.
Take the help of objects by.
You're right, Asha.
Mm-hmm.
Click on password. There you go.
That's
Yeah.
when
Okay.
And you
So I think you should write like dialog login and we needed password.
And set as Mercury.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah, I think that's it.
And OK button too.
And is there a full stop after that login number 2?
Enter the
Yeah.
OK button. Enter the OK button also. Yeah, write the script. OK button.
Matrix Pi. When button. No, missed out something. Now click on the when button. B is capital. No. No. Set is click, or how do you do click? Yeah, set is click, right? How would you write for click?
I think we'll just right click. I think we can just right click.
Okay, let's try that. Is somebody typing in?
See, so here in this situation, yeah, the dot method,
Oh, dot is missing. Okay.
dot click. Okay,
I think a dot is missing
yeah,
over there too.
that's what I'm saying. So
Mhm.
observe, yeah, you are writing the script manually. Yeah, good. Right now, just try to execute this one. Just find out whether it is executed or not. Just try to find out whether it is executing or not.
Okay, so run it.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think there should be a dot before that win82, right? Because in number 1 and 2 point we have, dot before win edit, and in number 3 and 4 we don't have dot.
I
So after
will.
that login bracket, there should be dot win it.
Yeah, I think,
Exactly.
yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Whatever you said is right. Login here, you need to give the dot.
Dot.
Good, good.
And the password. Okay, sorry,
That is
it's not
also
in.
okay. So right now I'm trying to execute. Just see what happens.
No, the OK button. I think there is something that's missing after the word colon.
Actually, as per the syntax, colon is there. I'm explaining that one, right?
Dialog login.
So I will explain you once again. This is not a syntax. Password colon is not a syntax. But here in a real object name, observe, go to tools objects by with the hand icon. I'm going to click on agent. So here agent name colon is specified. Why? Because this is a case sensitive, so that we need to write the exact one. So that I am mentioning this colon. Otherwise, if you click on OK button, colon is not there. We don't need to mention it, right?
Say that again, please.
I'm saying that this is not a syntax. Colon is not a syntax. Okay, so as per the requirement, the real object name having some colon, password colon,
Okay.
that is only we. But OK button, just of the OK button having colon, no,
No.
we don't need to specify. Okay,
Okay.
dialog login. Okay, win edit password colon dot set Mercury. Yeah, everything is perfect. Right now, I'm trying to hit the run button. Just see.
Risha, can you explain it again?
Which one last point, na?
Yeah.
So actually, as per the syntax.
Mm-hmm.
So right now I'm going to write the script password here. Okay, on that situation, just a second. Okay, here I want to write the script for password. Okay. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to the go to tools objects by. Okay, hand icon is done. With that, we need to click on password field, right? So we need dialog login is the parent details. When edit password is the child details. Observe. Logic real object name is case sensitive. We need to write the exact one. That P is capital. Here it is colon is there, right? So that we need to write the exact information, right? So observe here. Dialog login dot. It's a win edit, right?
Yeah.
So what is the option? That is password, right?
Password.
Colon is there as per the syntax, right? Dot, it says set is a method, right? I'm writing it as a Mercury,
Mercury.
right? So like that I'm writing. So then simply hit the OK button.
Oh, okay. So, this script, by this script, the application would only accept agent name as Risha and password as Mercury.
Exactly.
So we cannot
So
type in any other agent name in right now.
in this particular one,
Yeah.
okay? You want to type anything,
Okay.
just
Uh-huh.
you need to change that one. Okay.
Okay. So that will be showing me like an error if I type something else.
Yeah. So
Okay.
no. Which one? If you're typing like Ankita, you can able to give Ankita
No,
Mercury.
not in the script, but in the application. After giving the script, and if I enter in the
No.
application the
No.
name.
It's not coming up. You can able to give anything. So in
Okay.
this, I want to execute this by using this agent name and password. That's it. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Anyways, it gives an error here. What type of error? Just analyze it.
The
What
login
is the error?
object was not found in the objective
That's
Yeah.
report.
yeah. Object repository. There is no information, right?
Yes.
Okay. So means I already explained you while we are discussing object repository. If you're writing the script manually on that time, we are not going to mention. It's not going to execute it. Why? Because if you hit the record button, then only all the things are executed. All the things are recorded. All the object information is recorded in the object repository, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So right now we are recorded. Observe. I'm opening the object repository. Is there any information in the object repository? Just observe. Is there any information?
Nothing.
No, we need to add the repositories. How means go to resources, associate repositories, right? Okay, plus symbol is there by using plus symbol. Okay. So I'm entering. Click on associate. Okay. So I just added the repository. Okay. So right now I just add the repository. I'm going to hit the run button, just see what happens. Also, it is executed perfectly, right or not?
Yes.
Without any issues, it is executed perfectly. Got it, guys?
Mhm.
Is it executed perfectly, right? So like
Yes.
that, work will be processed. That is what about how to write the script manually without recording option. Okay, so we are not recorded anything. Without recording option, how we are going to write the script manually? I just explained. Everybody is clear?
Yes.
Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to explain you, okay, that concept that is called, okay, so tomorrow I'm going to explain.
Sarisha, can you mail me today's recording and day before yesterday's recording also? No one mailed
Day
me
before
that.
yesterday's recording, I think I already sent it to you. Ashim will send it to
I
me. I
just
already
got the notes for you tomorrow. I mean, sorry,
recording.
yesterday.
Recording late night, maybe they forward to me. I just sent you. I
Oh,
think
okay.
Ashim forward me. Just take it out your mail. I already
Okay.
sent it to you.
And today's
Okay.
also because I started late, so I don't have the recording, for the starting part.
Okay. So Ashim, if you don't mind, can you please today's also can you please forward it to me?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much, guys. Tomorrow we'll
Sarisha,
meet.
the notes also.
Yeah, sure, sure. I'll forward right now.
Okay, thank you.
Tomorrow,
Good.
yes, tomorrow we'll meet back on same time. Okay.
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 Good.
Tomorrow we are
Good.
going to discuss statement looping statement language. Okay.
Okay.
And Sarisha, one more
Okay.
thing I have to discuss with you.
Okay.
I